Hello, I'm Dr. Hart, and I thought I would take a minute to introduce myself, let you know who I am, and my history background. I didn't actually go to nursing school until I was 50. I'm a nurse, educator with a PhD, but it was a kind of a late in life career change for me. I was in banking and got laid off multiple times, so I thought I need to do something different. So I worked my way into nursing, found that it was something I wanted to do, and then I decided I wanted to be a psych nurse. So I did that for 10 years. I like education, so I was a nurse educator for 5 years. I received my PhD in a couple of years ago in nursing education. So that's me, and I'm just going to go through these slides real quick that give you more information on what to expect from this channel. So there's the About Me, PhD prepared nurse educator, ready to help you with your studies and give you some information on mental health mainly and some fundamentals, mainly mental health. And then I like to do practice questions on the content that I provide. I have about 40 to 50 videos already on my YouTube channel, Nursing with Hart PhD, so you can check those out. I will be continuing more videos. My next is probably going to be the substance use disorders. It's a lot, so I will condense it as much as I can. I just did psychopharmacology, and before that, I did schizophrenia, so check it out. These are the some examples of thumbnails from my videos that I have posted already, just to give you an idea. I did mental health of the older adult. I did anxiety disorders, and I've given a lot of NCLEX tips and strategies as I go along. As I cover the test question, I'll give you little tips. I'll say, look at this, look at here, look at the stem of the question, what to look for, what are your priorities, how to pick up clues from the stem of the question, things like that. More thumbnails from my YouTube channel. Some of the topics that you can expect. I did cover bipolar disorder. I covered the medications, psych meds. I did a quick video on what to expect in your first psych clinical rotation, just some of the safety issues that are most important for you when you are going into a psych rotation for the first time. I know how scary that can be. Okay, so here is some of the what more of what you can expect from the channel. And here is my YouTube channel. There are links in my bio for my Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok that you can use to connect to my other social media connections. And I hope that was a good summary on my background, education, and what you can expect from this channel. So let me know in the comments if you enjoy this content. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there will be more coming, I promise. All right. So have a great day.